Channapatna toys are not just playthings, they are pieces of art. The unique designs and vibrant colors are a reflection of India's rich heritage and culture. In this video, we are going to explore the entire manufacturing process of these toys, a factory walkthrough of Bharat Art and Crafts, one of the oldest and most popular toy factories in Channapatna. And we are going to uncover the economic influences that make this town so special. Let's get deep into the fascinating world of Channapatna toys. These workshops are where the magic happens. There are 5 stages in this manufacturing process. Number 1. Selecting the wood. The journey begins with the careful selection of wood.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು so many types of wood ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮೇನ್ ಆಗಿ ಐವರಿ ವುಡ್, ಬೀಚ್ ವುಡ್, ನೀಮ್ ವುಡ್, ಟೀಕ್ ವುಡ್, ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಶೀಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 90% ಕಲರಿಂಗ್ ಐಟಮ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಡೈಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ವುಡ್ಡೇ ಐವರಿ ವುಡ್.
Artisans in Channapatna primarily use soft ivory wood. In Kannada, it is called alemara because this wood is durable, non-toxic and perfect for carving. Next stage is cutting the wood. First, they cut the wood into smaller pieces based on the requirement. Whenever the design requires machine cutting, they mark a sketch and cut it with the help of machines.
ಇದು CNC machine ಸರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ವೈಲ್ಡ್, ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್, ರೈನ್ಬೋ, ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ಆ ಥರನ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸೈನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಪೆಂಡ್ರೈವ್ಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅಪ್ ಟು 40 mm ಶೀಟ್ನ ಇದು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
They also have a computer technology for certain bulk cuttings of pre-made design.
ಇದು ಲೇಸರ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಸರ್. ನಾವು ಈಗ ಎನಿ ಡಿಸೈನ್, ಪಜಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫೋಟೋ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆ ಥರ ಪ್ರಿಂಟೆಡ್ ಟೈಪಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟು ಡಿಸೈನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಂಡ್ರೈವ್ಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಪೆಂಡ್ರೈವ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಟ್ ಅ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿನೂ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಮತ್ತು 5 mm ಶೀಟ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಟ್ಲೆ ಶೀಟ್, MDF ಶೀಟ್, ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಶೀಟ್ನ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Third stage is shaping the wood. If there are pieces that are already cut in a particular shape, they use sanding machines to make them from rough to smooth. Sanding process gives the wood a smooth finish. If it is not cut in a particular shape, the skilled artisans use lathe and carving tools to shape it into the desired toy form. Because these toys are done with hand and machine coordination, you need absolute precision to get the desired shape. The next stage is lacquering process. The distinctive charm of Channapatna toys lies in their vibrant colors. To make the toys eco-friendly, the artisans use dyes made out of vegetables.
ಇದು ಲ್ಯಾಕರ್ ಅಂತ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಗು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಇದು 1 tree ಗಮ್ ಟೈಪು. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ಕುಂಕುಮ, ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ತಂಬರಿಕು, ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಪೌಡರ್, ಈ ಥರ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಕ್ ಕಲರ್ನ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಈ ಥರ ಕಲರ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ.
The process of applying lacquer is crucial to achieve that glossy color finish. The colors not only make the toys visually appealing, but are also completely safe for children. For simple toys, this is the coloring process as well. For the sake of this video, I had asked them to make something very basic so that they don't waste any material. And this is what they came up with on the spot. Very neat job. But for many other handicraft toys, there is a painting process. The artisans are true artists in their own right. They carefully hand paint each toy with intricate patterns and designs, adding a touch of personal creativity to every piece. Each toy is unique. They take pride in creating something that brings joy to children. This is what makes Channapatna toys so special. Handicrafts with attention to detail. Once the final product is done, they will do quality check to meet their standards and bring it to their showroom for selling to the customers. If it is for bulk order, they will pack it directly and export it. Mostly Bharat Art and Crafts focuses on exports because they are one of the big factories in Channapatna. Now let's look at some of the products that are displayed in their store. Channapatna toys are exported to US, Europe and Middle Eastern countries because they are highly valued for their beauty and craftsmanship. The main reason I made this video is to talk about the challenges. Known as the toy town of India, Channapatna is not just a town. It's a living testament to the spirit of entrepreneurship and the magic of craftsmanship. But today Channapatna is facing many challenges to their business and livelihood. Around 4,000 artisans are dependent on this craft in this town. There are around 40 to 50 small factories, but only 5 are big factories are operating at present. One of the major challenges is Chinese toys. China is dominating the toy industry. They are the biggest exporter of toys in the world with 86% of the world exports. What China does, like many other categories, is to mass produce cheaper toys that are not safe for children and flood the markets. This difficult competition affects the livelihood of employees in the toy factory. For easier access and marketing, the government has taken some initiatives like building a crafts park where toy manufacturers can buy the plots to build their own businesses. The second challenge is Bangalore-Mysore Expressway. Because of this expressway, nearly 100 toy shops were closed. Earlier, tourists used to stop at Channapatna and explore the toys. But after the highway, all these toy makers are disconnected from the tourists. Hope the government will work around some solution for this. To end the video, I want to say one thing. Together, let's celebrate and preserve the art of Channapatna toy making. If you want to order any custom design or generic wood toys from Channapatna, I will leave the address and contact details of Bharat Art and Crafts. Also, if you like the video, hit the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.